Hello, introduce myself. My name is Rivilia Indri Malonda. Tugas Bahasa Inggris, materi quantifiers. Have you ever felt English grammar is a secret code? Today, we are cracking one of its tricky parts, quantifiers. Get ready to unlock the mystery of some, any, much, and money. A quantifier in English is a word or part used before a noun to indicate its amount or quantity, whether is large, small, and unit-specific. In this video, we'll break down the most common quantifiers and show you to use them correctly. So, what exactly are quantifiers? Simple path, quantifiers are words of phrases that we use to indicate the amount or quantity of a thing or a noun. Quantifiers are super important because they help us answer the question how much or how many. So, instead of just saying I have books, we can be more specific by saying I have some books or I have many books. Now, let's look at some example of quantifiers that are used a lot. So, contohnya I have some books. Saya punya beberapa buku. Any. Do you have any questions? Apakah kamu punya pertanyaan? Much. There is much traffic on the road. Ada banyak lalu lintas di jalan. I have many friends in Manado. Saya punya banyak teman di Manado. Few. I have few close friends. Saya punya sedikit teman dekat. Little. There is little water left. Tinggal sedikit air yang tersisa. A lot of. Contohnya, I have a lot of work to do. Saya punya banyak pekerjaan yang harus diselesaikan. So, now you know that quantifiers are right. In the next situation, we'll discuss the types of quantifiers and how to use them correctly. Keep up the great learning! In this section, the video will discuss the different types of quantifier based on the type of noun they modify, namely countable nouns and uncountable nouns, as well as the quantifiers that can be used for both. Countable nouns adalah kata benda yang bisa dihitung. Contoh, buku, books, apple, apples, kursi, chairs, teman, friends, mobil, cars. Quantifiers yang umum digunakan. Many, banyak. Jumlah besar. I have many books. Few, sedikit. Hampir tidak ada. Konotasi negatif. I have few friends in this city. A few, beberapa. Ada, tapi tidak banyak. Konotasi positif. I have a few friends in this city. Several, beberapa, lebih dari a few, tapi tidak sebanyak many. There are several apples on the tables. Number, jumlah spesifik. I have 3 cars. Uncountable nouns adalah kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung secara individual, biasanya berupa zat, konsep abstrak, atau massa. For example, water, sugar, time, money, and information. Quantifiers yang umum digunakan, much, banyak. I don't have much time. Little, sedikit, hampir tidak ada, konotasi negatif. There is little water in the bottle. A little, sedikit, ada, tapi tidak banyak, konotasi positif. I need a little sugar. Amount, jumlah. I have a large amount of money. Quantifiers yang bisa digunakan untuk keduanya. some, any, a lot of, lots of, enough, all. Perbedaan few and a few. Few sedikit negatif, hampir tidak ada. I have few friends in this city. A few beberapa positif, ada tapi tidak banyak. I have a few friends in this city. Little and a little. Little sedikit negatif, hampir tidak ada. There is little hope. A little sedikit positif, ada tapi tidak banyak. I need a little sugar. The following are examples in everyday conversation. Quantifier indicate the amount or quantity of noun. Some are for countable nouns, some for uncountable nouns, and some for both. Pay attention to the difference between few, a few, and little, a little. Master quantifiers for more accurate communication in English.